Internet, I'm Scott, and this is a PLUGHITZ Live how-to. Today we're going to take a look at how to configure and set up the Monster Smart Illuminessence Orb product. We've had some comments on our videos since we did our unboxings that people have been having trouble, and we understand the setup is a little confusing. So we decided to show you how. You're going to need two things to get the orb up and running. First is the orb itself, obviously either charged or plugged in. The other will be your phone with the Monster app. And the phone needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network that is a 2.4 gigahertz network. This will not work on 5 because all of these products run on 2.4 gigahertz. So make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 and we will get going. What you're going to do is first thing, we're going to turn on the orb itself. When you turn it on, it might come on blinking, it might come on solid, or it might come on to a scene. We need it to be blinking. So you're going to press and hold the power button for a few seconds and the orb will turn on. As you can see, mine is now blinking. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the app, and from the app, you'll see your list of products. You're going to hit the plus button. On the next screen, it'll say add manually. Lighting, Wi-Fi is what you want. On the next screen, it will remind you that you need a 2.4 gigahertz network. Make sure that your network name and your password are showing there. If not, this will not work. So you're going to hit next. It's going to remind you that this needs to be blinking. If it is not blinking, follow the instructions in the book on how to put it back into pairing mode. On the orb, you hold down the mode button while it's on. So hold down the power, it'll turn on. Hold down the mode button, which is different than the others, for about 10 seconds. It'll go into pairing mode like this. We're going to confirm that the indicator is rapidly blinking. Then you're going to get your progress screens. The first thing you'll see is a magnifying glass that usually runs for about 10%. The light should stop blinking. At about 13%, you'll see it changes to a cloud. And at about between 20 and 30%, it usually changes to a gear and then goes away real quick. What you'll see is a confirmation screen with a done button. So we're going to hit the done button. And now, as you can see, we have full control over our orb from the app. We can do colors, we can do scenes, we can do all kinds of features from here. And of course, once it's here, you have the ability to add it to Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, and be able to control it with your voice. There's all kinds of cool capabilities with this. Also, now that you're configured, if you want to switch your phone back to 5 gigahertz, you can. So you don't have to live in a world of slower speeds on your phone. It only needs it for getting this configured to the 2.4, because now we're connected to the cloud, so you can actually turn these on through any number of internet connections and stuff like that. And then, of course, there are other products in the line, which we've shown off. We've got how-tos on those as well. But if you want to see some of those other how-tos, you can always go to PLUGHITZLive.com/how-to. There you'll see all of our episodes. If you want to find the different ways to subscribe, you can hit the subscribe tab on the left, or if you're on mobile, on the top. And you can always find us on YouTube, youtube.com/PLUGHITZLive. There you'll see all of our shows. You can subscribe on there. Of course, hit the notification bell, because we know that subscriptions don't mean anything on YouTube anymore. That way you'll get notified when we put on new how-tos, unboxings, our weekly shows, and a whole lot more. And with that, until next time, ciao.